Again, people, now welcome back to my channel today. The one from the double wahala season don't come out, come show support for Funke Akindele, and in the process, in control shade at Mesieke and Tasha. And also, Tasha podcast, where be say she dey do for Cool FM, where be say she invite Phyna of recent. The statement where be say two of them make for there don't bring drags to the both of them. So of recent, the one come out come call out Tasha and Mesieke, and wetin make am dey call dem out na because of the interview wey be say Funke Akindele do for television. So of recent, Funke do an interview wey be say she talk about, wey dey ask her about her latest movie wey be say she produce, A Tribe Called Judah. So she come just talk about her experience for life, say things dey hard for her, sometimes she dey cry, all those type of things, say no be all the time that she dey strong, she dey pass through challenges too for her life. So the one come out, come go bring out the picture, the video of Tasha and Mesieke wey be say dey bring out their Range Rover, use rope dey drag the Range Rover to advertise say dem don buy new car. So according to him, dey say two of dem make dem come out come talk their own win for life, wetin dem really dey do, because Funke don come out come talk her own, say she be producer and people dey see result, say wetin Mesieke and Tasha dey bring to the table wey be say e go make dem come dey flaunt big cars like that. Make una lis ten to wetin talk for una sef.
Yeah. My mental health is very important. My career is very important, darling. I have to make an impact. I have to empower a lot of people. I have to inspire young people out there. I have to stay strong for my children, my siblings. Why am I leaving? I have a purpose. So my head is up. Yes, I cry. Yes, I break down. But I just clean the tears, look into the mirror, keep moving. Yeah. So that's it for me.
It's not as if she does not have downtime. E day, she dey cry. You hear that thing? Say she dey cry. That's what I want to point out. Because right now, people don't even want to... things just get as e be. You go dey vex. They think say, oh, some people they commit suicide right now because of pressure, fake life. Person go put leech. You go put rope on top Range Rover, they pull am. How you take get am? What do they do? Is that inspiring? How are you inspiring young people? You hear what she said? She wants to inspire people. There's a purpose. There's a reason why she's alive. Now this kind of people supposed to celebrate. She is real. She is truthful. Not come here and tell us that you buy a house. You buy us how? If you want to tell us that you bought a house, you have to tell us how you take the do am. How?
So this is statement, e no really sit well with me, because first of all, the one, who are you wey be say you go come dey ask person to say wetin the person do for a living? Why must they come and tell you what they do for a living? Like, na you born dem, you be their family member. Some people prefer to work and show off, while some prefer to work and hide their success. You no fit fault the person wey be say work to come flaunt e own, and you no fit still fault the person wey be say work to hide e own. Everybody get wetin dey do am for a body. Mesieke has always been a social media person. She always like that social media of a thing. Tasha, on the other hand, a person wey be say anything wey Messi do, she dey always like copy am. She just be like a shadow of Messi. And for the statement wey be say e make, say dem dey live fake life, say dem dey put pressure on people. Now, who wan allow himself dey under pressure na go dey on pressure? You see this life wey be say everybody come so if you allow wetin you see for social media drive you, it might not end well for you. I dey tell you. Me, I dey always dey on social media because I dey always scout for news, and I dey see the way my mates dey drive car, they dey buy house, they do this one. All those ones no fit shake me, because I don already build myself to the extent to realize say social media no be reality. The one needs to learn to shut his mouth, because Mesieke never find in trouble before, so make e stay clear. Because if Messi fans, those ones na don see their head no correct o. If they call for am now, this one no be a Phyna fan wey dey say keep her quiet o, e go red for am. If you dey watch this video and you never subscribe, abeg try make you subscribe. Help me like this video, drop your comments for the comment section below, and help me share this video. Una thank you. So onto Tasha recent podcast wey she do with Phyna, the statement wey be say Tasha make for there, people dey not take am lightly with her. According to her, she come and dey claim to say one guy don offer her $20,000 for her to come sit down for the guy table for the show wey be say she go. The show wey she go na AY Life. While on the other hand, Phyna try to explain further concerning that 5 million naira saga wey be say she talk say a guy offer her for club wey be say she go, and she come tell the guy to say make he send the account, make she send the 5 million naira for the guy. So make una lis ten to wetin dey talk for the podcast before I show una wetin netizens talk about the matter.
Let me even tell you the one that's even giving wahala now. The 5 million naira you said you rejected. How did that happen?
Bro, okay.
Bro.
Like,
Bro.
it's crazy. You know, when I seeing this whole thing, it's just making me feel like some Nigerians are, in fact, a lot, most.
This is live.
I know, but most of them they used to do somehow.
Yeah,
They used
somehow
to do
somehow to narrate
because
them.
how much is 5 million naira? 5 million naira is just $5,000. Like,
exactly.
bro, in my dollar account, I have more than $5,000 sitting pretty. Like, I don't even remember that.
To not
one.
be touched.
Like, to not be touched. Do you get? And now me rejecting 5,000, 5 million naira.
Yeah.
I mean, that's change. 5 million naira is something I can make in my comfort zone in my house. I don't need to open my door to go and make 5 million naira. And a lot of people are seeing it as big deal.
Like, oh, she has to be lying.
You know? It was so funny. Yesterday, I was just laughing and I was like, even if I am not Phyna, even if I am a normal poor girl, bro, even if it's 10 million, you can't just walk up to me just like that. You want?
Exactly.
What do you want to do? What is so special about me that you want to just give me
5,000
just like that?
And then you know the funny thing, when they brought that to me and when I watched the video, I was like, why is people making a big deal out of this?
Yeah.
It was still me that went for AY's live birthday, I think 2 years ago. And my road manager came to me to say, a guy is saying he's going to give you $20,000 if you come to his table.
Just come to table.
As in AY Live's birthday. Like, he came to me and I was like, I don't really understand, because after I go there to the table, I have to be following you home. And
Yes.
I can't give you what you want.
Do you get?
Let them now be playing us purpose meme and say, tell me you don't know why we are here. Lie to me and tell me you don't know why we are here. Okay, you don't know why we are here, right?
After you finish pepper soup.
Do you understand?
Influencers they make more than that in just one influencing work. I know wetin I dey tell you, depend on influencing work. They make more than that. But the thing wey be say I no support for this Phyna statement na the fact wey be say e talk say 5 million naira na chicken change. First of all, when beauty come out of the house that time wey be say Phyna dey shout 100 million na your mate, na your mate. Then beauty come talk say 100 million is chicken change. Phyna and her fans almost press the girl neck when she talks 100 million naira na chicken change. So I no see why Phyna dey vex now, because people see that 5 million naira as a big deal to them, just as she wey be Phyna see the 100 million naira as a big deal. So make we see some comments under this her post. So the first person say you rejected 5 million but couldn't return a rented wig. The type of people Nigeria reckon as celebrity is just hilarious. Belle Okomi. Now because of this rented wig gone, I make people not gree believe say Phyna go fit afford that 5 million naira. Another person can say, I swear I don't understand this chick. 5 million naira is small, but your parents were crying for financial support online. Make it make sense. This is another reason why people not really support Phyna, say she gets that 5 million naira, because her parents don't come out before for Vanguard newspaper to come out and say Phyna abandoned them. Even for the live stream wey be say Phyna do a few days ago, wey be say she do giveaway, we see say Phyna brother dey for the live stream wan still come collect the 10,000 naira giveaway wey be say she dey do, which na make people come talk say which means this girl really no dey give her family money. Another person come say always insulting Nigeria, same people who made sure your life was changed, ungrateful humans. 5 million is a big deal, dear. You and your parents never had it. Calm down. Even Tasha, relax. Yes, this person dey very right. 5 million naira na big deal. Na big deal to some people, but to some people it is not a big deal at all. They see it as nothing. I like the fact say Tasha caution her for that place wey be say she want to say Nigerians, because I know say na insult she want insult Nigerians. Tasha come tell her say not do one like that too. That na very smart move na Tasha do for there. Because once Phyna don open mouth to talk like this, hey, e dey always be disaster. I hope Phyna go stop to dey explain this 5 million naira something so that the thing no go escalate pass the way the thing don already escalate. And one thing wey be say I go tell everybody, before you judge anyone, allow dem make dem see fame, money and power. Na that time you go see people true colour. For Tasha $20,000 wey be say she dey claim say person call her to come her table, that one na big lie. Na me talk am, na big lie. Tasha dey lie because the same Tasha na come at that time say people that call am say make she come Ostars, yet dem no call am. The girl dey lie. Nobody give Tasha, nobody tell Tasha to come sit down for table for $20,000. More na something dey call those huge amount of money sef, it's getting out of hand. Una take care, una bye.